Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to connect with people on LinkedIn. First, you need to log into LinkedIn using your credentials. First, you need to decide if you want to connect with someone for friendship or for professional reasons. If it's a professional reason, like if you're a freelancer who provides Shopify-related services, you just need to go to the search bar and type Shopify and click Enter. As soon as you find someone who looks like a good fit, you can send them a connection request. Before you do that, you can check out their profile. Click on their name. After clicking on their name, their profile will open in a few seconds. If their profile looks like a good fit for you, you'll see a connection option right there. If you don't see the connection option, just click on More. In the options that appear, you'll definitely find the connection option. Click on Connection. After clicking, a new form will open up. In this form, it's asking you to send a connection request. If you're sending a request to a friend, you don't need to add a note. They'll just accept your request after looking at your profile. Or, you can add a note in this section. If the person is a stranger to you, it's obvious that you found them because they're related to your skills. In this section, you need to add a professional note. For example, if you're a Shopify developer, you can type something like this. I came across your profile on LinkedIn and wanted to reach out. As a fellow Shopify developer, I believe connecting would be beneficial for both of us. Let's expand our networks and explore potential synergies. I look forward to connecting with you on LinkedIn. To make it even better, you can add the person's name at the beginning of the note. After typing the name, review it, and then click Enter. Your note and request will be sent. This is how you can approach someone on LinkedIn or expand your network. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.